to the leader of the Senate. Let me give you just a very good information, which I believe the distinguished senators have been waiting for. This is a letter to distinguished Senator Godswill Oborokpabio, GCON, President of the Senate, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Notification of change of party membership from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressives Congress. Considering the unpleasant circumstances and the crisis-torn situation of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, of which I've been a member since 1998, and from which I was elected into the 10th Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. After due consultation with my family, my associates, my political leaders in my state, and across the nation, I have resolved to join the governor of my state, the state of Bayelsa, His Excellency Senator Doye Diri, to resign my membership of the party. In coming to this decision, I have taken a deep look at the protracted leadership crisis and the division that have resulted from the competition for power within the People's Democratic Party, especially at the national level. I have lost hope in the capacity of my party to play the role of a political party that is capable of winning councillorship election in Nigeria. Distinguished Senator Dickson, you are the chairman of the National Assembly Caucus of Bayelsa. And this all-important announcement is coming from Bayelsa. So we will Okay, well, wherever you are,